Have you ever ridden Branson's most thrilling mountain coaster at night? We're talking glowing tracks, cool Ozark air, and a ride that doesn't slow down once the sun sets. This is the Copperhead Mountain Coaster at the Shepherd of the Hills Adventure Park, and it's a whole different vibe after dark. If you think you've seen Branson Adventure before, think again. Let's light up the night and see why this coaster is one of the most talked about rides in the Ozarks. So buckle up. We're taking you along with us right after we roll that intro. Trust us, this is one Branson thrill you don't want to miss. Whether you're chasing that adrenaline rush or just want to take in the glowing Ozark views under the stars, the Copperhead Mountain Coaster is pure nighttime magic. Be sure to grab your tickets online before you go because night rides are very popular. You can use our promo code Branson Fam at checkout to save 10% off your Copperhead Mountain Coaster tickets, then fill out your waivers and get ready to ride into one unforgettable Branson night. We're bringing you along for a ride during the fall season with some spooky twists along the way. So hop in, we're going for a night ride on the Copperhead Mountain Coaster.
All the way down. Go.
I've got it all the way down, I promise.
Yeah, right.
No, it is. It's all the way down. But there's no stinking way I'm going to be able to keep it all the way down. Oh, a spider web! A spider web! Okay. I can't keep it all the way down the whole time. I just can't. I'm sorry. I was going to, but I can't. I'm so sorry. I'll keep it down on the parts that we're not going around curves. But I've got to slow down on curves. Just like driving a vehicle.
Oh, spider web.
Okay.
Dad, look at how big that spider is.
Oh no, that's a big spider web.
So it's fun.
Oh, I don't like the curves.
No, it's gonna happen.
I'm sorry. I just can't go fast on the curves. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I don't know. I think we're doing pretty good, right? We go fast. Let's go down on the curves. And then we go fast. On the straightaways, we go fast.
Straight.
Yeah. Go down on the curves.
It's so
Wee, look at the skeletons.
Jiggly. They're
Look at the
down.
lights, isn't it so pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, and then there's skeletons. Spooky. Oh, look at the spider web.
Watch out.
Wee, look at the skeletons.
Jiggly.
Look at the lights, isn't it so pretty? Oh, and then there's skeletons though. Spooky. Oh, look at the spider web. Woohoo! Whoa. Here we go. You having fun?
Yeah.
You like it better at night or during the day? Oh, nice. You like the lights and you don't know what's coming next? Oh, okay then. Now we're getting pulled back up the hill. Oh, look at this spooky over here, huh? Let go here. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Dad.
Spooky.
Oh, speaker. I was wondering.
Looks like there's a witch over there, Carson. Here. Spooky. Oh, look at the lights at the top. That looks cool.
It's still going. This hill is still going. Oh, cobweb! Cobweb! Spooky! And when no Sutton says, to the hills we go, laughing all the way.
Ha ha ha! I think we're in the wrong season though.
Huh?
Huh? It's not Christmas. It's still Halloween season, hun.
This is
I always love the Shepherd of the Hills Tower lit up at night. I think it's so cool.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
This is Halloween. She's having fun.
She's going fast.
She's having lots of fun.
Still going?
Hey, there's the end of the pumpkins. Pumpkins aglow. You remember that?
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Very different. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. There, they're singing it right there. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. How are you? We'll race you. We'll race you to the end.
We need you!
What an unforgettable ride. If you haven't experienced Copperhead Mountain Coaster at night, make sure to add it to your Branson must-do list. Follow the Shepherd of the Hills on social media to stay in the loop about all of their events, festivals, and new adventures, because there's always something exciting happening out here in the Ozarks. If you've enjoyed our POV videos, you can purchase footage of your ride at the Copperhead Mountain Coaster by utilizing the QR code printed on the receipt at the end of your ride. This is a very affordable way to remember your trip to Branson, and it's a souvenir that allows you to share your memories with others as well. And don't forget, you can grab your tickets online and use our promo code Branson Fam to save 10% off your Copperhead Mountain Coaster tickets. That Branson Fam code will save you on all Shepherd of the Hills shows and adventure park tickets too. Thanks for watching, but until our next adventure, fam, we'll catch y'all later.